For those venturing into the realm of CNC machining, the Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 stands out as a top-tier entry-level option. With its combination of affordability and versatility, it's an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. Effortless enhancement. One of the standout features of the 3018 Prover V2 is its adaptability. Accessories such as laser modules, extension kits, and more can be seamlessly integrated, allowing users to expand the machine's capabilities according to their needs. Easy assembly. Setting up the 3018 Prover V2 is a breeze thanks to its pre-assembled main parts and clear cable management. Within an hour, users can have their CNC machine up and running, ready to tackle various projects. Wide application. This CNC machine isn't limited in its capabilities. It can engrave a plethora of materials, including wood, plastic, acrylic, PVC, PCB, carbon fiber, and even soft metals like copper and aluminum, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Support services. SainSmart provides ample support for users, from CAD and CAM software recommendations to a dedicated resource center and responsive customer service. Assistance is readily available for any questions or issues that may arise. Personal experience. Having used the Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 for a year, I can attest to its reliability and performance. When encountering an issue, the customer service provided by Hong from SainSmart was exceptional, promptly diagnosing the problem and offering a solution covered under warranty. Assembly was straightforward, with safety features such as limit switches on all axes ensuring peace of mind during operation. The machine's powerful spindle handled various materials with ease, though cutting aluminum requires patience due to the slower speed necessary. Improvement areas. While the machine excels in most aspects, clearer instructions on programming, particularly regarding G-code, would benefit beginners. Simplified examples and guidance on basic commands would expedite the learning curve for those new to CNC machining. Conclusion. Despite minor areas for improvement, the Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 impresses with its sturdy construction, ease of use, and versatility. It's a tool that rewards exploration and learning, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. For those willing to invest time and effort into mastering its operation, it's a worthwhile investment that promises countless hours of enjoyment and discovery in the world of CNC machining.